How to view satellite on Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. You can simply search your location where you want to view in satellite or simply zoom in. Then at the top right, you'll find square option. Click on it. Then you'll find these options. Click on satellite in here. After you click on satellite, your map type will be satellite, as you can see. You can drag it wherever you want, and it is all in satellite mode. And if you want to change it again, click on the same button at the top right corner of your screen, which is square shape. After you click on the square shape at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find default option. Simply click on default. After that, your map will be like before again. And this is how to view satellite on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.